This video walks you through how to import 1099B or brokerage data into TurboTax. Begin by signing in to your TurboTax account with your account credentials. After you are in, open the tax return where you want to add your investment information. If TurboTax brings you to a home screen or overview page first, look for the option to continue or open the current return so you are working inside the return itself. From there, go to the federal section. Once the federal area is open, select Wages and Income. This takes you to the part of the return where TurboTax organizes income sources by category. Scroll down until you reach Investments and Savings. In that section, select Stocks, Cryptocurrency, Mutual Funds, Bonds, Other. Depending on where you are in the return, you may see a Start button or you may see Edit/Add if you have already entered some investment details. Choose whichever option appears on your screen to continue. TurboTax will then ask how you want to enter your investment information. Choose Import from My Bank or Brokerage. This opens the Brokerage Import tool. In the search field, type the name of your brokerage and select the matching result from the list. Make sure you choose the correct financial institution before moving on, especially if similar names appear. After selecting your brokerage, sign in to your brokerage account using your account login. Enter only your own account information on the secure sign-in page. Once signed in, follow the prompts to authorize the connection between your brokerage and TurboTax. The wording can vary by institution, but you are looking for the screens that allow TurboTax to access your tax documents for import. If the connection takes a moment to load, wait for the authorization to finish before continuing. When TurboTax displays the available documents or accounts, select the 1099B or brokerage data you want to import. If more than one tax document appears, choose the one that matches the account and tax year you are filing. Continue through the import screens until TurboTax brings the data into your return. After the import is complete, review the imported information for accuracy. Check that the brokerage name, account details, and imported 1099B entries match what you expect to see from your records. If TurboTax groups transactions or summarizes parts of the import, confirm that the totals align with your brokerage statement before proceeding. Once everything looks correct, click Continue to save the imported data and move forward with your tax return. TurboTax will return you to the investment income area or the next part of your return depending on where you left off. Your 1099B or brokerage data is now imported into TurboTax and saved in your tax return.